Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Drive integration for quicker media relinking step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Drive website. Log into your Google account if prompted. In your Google Drive interface, locate the settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From the drop-down options, select Settings. In the Settings window, ensure that Manage Apps is visible on the left sidebar. Click on Manage Apps to display the available integrations. Scroll through the list of applications to find the one you want to integrate with Google Drive. If the application is not listed, click on Connect More Apps at the bottom of the window. In the search bar, type the name of the application you want to enable for Google Drive integration. Once you find the application, click on the Connect button next to it. A pop-up will appear requesting permission for the application to access your Google Drive files. Read through the permissions required by the application. If you agree, click on the Allow button. After granting permissions, return to the main settings menu. Close the settings window to finalize your changes. Now, navigate back to the application you want to use. Open the project or file that requires media relinking. Look for the option to link media or access your Google Drive files within the application. When prompted, select Google Drive as your media source. The application will now have integrated access to your Google Drive. You can quickly relink media files directly from Google Drive. Perform a test to ensure everything is functioning as intended. If successful, your Google Drive integration is fully enabled for media relinking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.